What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video.
In 1,000 feet, merge onto I-805.
Let me let Google finish speaking. Okay, but yeah, so we are heading back to Arizona. 6 hour and 8 minute drive, it says right there, 422 miles. Yeah, so we're just gonna capture this road trip experience once again. I don't know if you guys see it, but right here I have my 360 GoPro camera. Just got the new GoPro Max 2 to replace my old GoPro 360 camera.
Continue on I-805 north for 4 miles.
So yeah, capture some lovely scenery, take you guys along on this journey. First stop we're gonna be making is in Yuma, because I only filled up enough to get gas in Yuma because this Cali gas is expensive and I'd rather fill up my tank out there where it's cheaper and I can use my Chevron points. So yeah, I'll pick up the camera when we get to seeing some interesting things out on the road. But right now I'll give you a little 360 of what we're looking at just so you get used to that 360 view and enjoy the video. What's up, guys? We're at the 1 hour check-in point. Great views and some great roads. Hasn't been much traffic. Taking these turns at 90. About an hour more to Yuma, I believe, or maybe like an hour and a half or hour and a change. I think we're far enough now. I love this part of the drive. Downhill, sweeping turns. This is like the one part that I usually accelerate on, and after that I'm kind of like, all right, that's enough. You know, like a get it out your system kind of thing. Last acceleration ended. All right, I'll check back in with you guys when we get to Yuma and start getting some gas. Oh yeah, I gotta do some downshifts to let you guys off. Oh my God, I love it. We'll do one last meaty downshift, then I'll let you guys go. All right, that's enough. That's enough. See you guys in Yuma. All right, at our gas stop. Decided to stop at Mavericks because they do have a cleaner bathroom than the Chevron I was initially going to go to. So yeah. Cool. Pump some gas, bathroom break, then back on the road. All right, so we are back on the road. 3.5 hours left until we reach our destination. We are leaving Yuma right now. So pretty much from here is Yuma. The next big city is, we do the bypass from Phoenix and continue down to southern Arizona. Yeah, all right, so update, we are about maybe an hour away, maybe less than that. We got Picacho Peak on the right. It's usually like a landmark for me for when I know I'm getting close back home. But yeah, pretty easy drive, can't complain. No traffic really. Cops started popping up the closer we got to Arizona. But yeah, we're gonna finish up this drive, get back home. Shoot, got ISF, GSF, RCF over here, facelifted RCF. We got another ISF back there, and then we got me in the back. New video for the Tucson guys. Cali guys, we're putting y'all on notice.